Alright, so 2017 Chevrolet Malibu. This is how to change your rear pads. Alright, so I'm going to 14 bolts on the caliper to get it off to change your pads. Right here. Start with those two. Just loose by hand. Come out fairly easy. Make sure you grab that bottom one. Take that back out by hand. Sometimes they come off by hand. This one's a little bit stuck. There, caliper's off. This one's lucky, it has a handbrake, so you can rest it like that. And your brake line doesn't bend here. You gotta be careful of. So, if you don't have this type of setup, you'd wanna hang it with a bungee cord or prop it up with something so that you don't bend this brake line. See, now you can easily remove your pads. Done. And now if you want to take this bracket, which I'm going to take, the two 18 bolts at the back here and inside the wheel assembly down here. Also too, if you wanted to change the rotor, but I'm not changing the rotor, you take your bracket off. I took it off. Behind here is an 18 mil bolt, very hard to see. And then you have a second one beneath it going under the wheel assembly at the back here. Start by taking off your caliper first, and that would be two 14 bolts back here, one here and one there, 14 mil. And I'll show you guys what it looks like when I put it back together. So I'm going to put my pads in on my new pads here. Always a little bit of lube where metal touch metal. I just put some here and there. I just want to pop that back here. Just like that. Squealer pad on the inner pad. Okay. There's the 14, the two 14s at the top of the caliper. So I'm putting it back in, but to take it off, just reverse the process. Yeah. Always catch a few threads by hand before you start. Make sure they're lined up. Yeah, go with your fingers till you can't no more. Ratchet. And a little tip too. This brake line was in my way. I threw on an extension. Give myself a little bit more room. And boom. Ratcheting wrench will work too. Look for your torque spec.